Luke, do you want to talk us through Huawei going their own way? Haha.
Huawei going their own way. Yeah. So quite a while ago, we talked on the WAN show, and so did tons of other places about the US kind of pushing out Huawei and some other stuff. 2 years ago, 2 years after Huawei was added to the US entity list that banned them from using US technologies, they can't use Android OS anymore. They have officially released their alternative smartphone operating system, Harmony OS 2.0. That's really fast. Just putting that out there. That is super fast. Hopefully it's good, but that is super fast. The company wants to see the OS be integrated into a stack of OSs with versions extending to a car OS, a SmartThings OS. So yeah, they're just trying to replace the operating system stack that you would see with other similar devices due to having Android Auto and whatever the Apple one is called in your car, etc. The Huawei P40 and Mate X2, among others, will be the smartphones to get the OS as an update, and it will be shipped with the Huawei Watch and MatePad Pro tablet and released throughout their lineup through to the end of the year. The company denies that Harmony OS is a derivative of Android and that no single line of code is identical to that of Android.
Interesting.
This is a big part of the reason why I'm like, that was really fast. Because if it was, like, okay, whatever. But if it's not, that's pretty crazy impressive. Ars Technica has trouble seeing how different Harmony OS is from Android. This continues to be the weird journey the reporter had to take to get to access the SDK and emulator, which involved, among many other things, sending his US passport photo. That's really
wow.
weird.
This is nuts. Hold on, I'm bringing this up. So a 2-day background check. And here's Harmony OS. Yep, that looks very different from Android.
Huh.
Okay. A device info app identifies Harmony OS as Android 10. So that's interesting. Yep, this is getting really awkward really fast. This looks like a great article.
This is awesome.
I'm going to go read this as soon as the show is over. Anyway, the point is, yeah, so Luke, your first reaction to Harmony OS 2.0 as a thing was like, wow, that's really fast. I think we might have gotten to the bottom of it.
Yeah, that makes a little bit more sense. Okay, it takes a lot to make these things. Like, it takes a really significant amount of time and investment, and 2 years to generate that is wild. And my immediate reaction was, okay, there's either tons of stolen stuff, and then there's no identical line, so it's like, okay. The other option is that it's horrible. It sounds like there might be tons of stolen stuff. I think that's maybe the direction that we're going.
Not Huawei.
But we'll have to. Sorry?
No, not Huawei.
They wouldn't do that, of course.
No.
Definitely not.
No. Where's my check, CCP?